Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to share with you how you can fix if your Sony Linkbuds S are not charging and what you can try to do. So of course, try first changing the cable, cleaning the inside of it if you see there is like some kind of dirt or something. Also changing the adapter. So this is first thing that you can do. The second thing is that remove both of the earbuds, put them back in, and then from the back you're going to have this power button and you just want to hold it. And hold it for at least 15 seconds until the whole process of resetting is going to go through. So now you see the blue. Now you see OK. And now it's turned off. So now it has been resetted. So this is something that you can try to do. Thank you very much for watching and try to now charge them. Have a great day and goodbye.